Hello everyone, this is a video short for binary search tree insertion. So here are the steps to insert a new node to a binary search tree. First, we'll compare the new node with the root node. Then we'll check the value of the new node. If it's greater than the root node, then we'll check the right child of the root node. But if the value is less than the root node, then we'll check the left child of the root node. And we'll continue doing that until we can insert a new node. So now let's look at an example to insert a new node 32 to the following binary search tree. First, we'll compare the new node 32 with the root node 40. As you can see that the value of 32 is less than 40. So we'll look at the left child. Now we'll compare the new node 32 with the node 30. But here we can see that the value of 32 is greater than 30. So we'll move to its right child and we'll compare it with the node 35. But now, since there are no children to the node 35, we can directly insert the node 32 as a left child of 35 because the value of 32 is less than 35. So these are the steps you can follow to insert a new node 32 to the following binary search tree. And this is what the binary search tree looks like after insertion. Thank you.